Part of the Verge Guide to Working from Home. When you're in the middle of a Zoom video meeting at home and your cat suddenly decides to start bawling for its dinner, you'll want to mute your audio in a hurry. In that case, you have a choice. You can either reach for your mouse or touchpad and start searching for the mute button, or you can use a quick keyboard shortcut to cut off that noise immediately. Zoom has a long list of keyboard shortcuts that you can use before or during a video conference. By using these shortcuts, you can quickly join a meeting, mute and unmute the audio, start, pause, and stop recording, switch views from speaker, a large image of the person speaking, to gallery, several equally sized images, no matter who is speaking, and perform a variety of other tasks. You can easily find a list of those tasks and the shortcuts that you can use in your Zoom app. The shortcuts are gathered under 4 categories: meeting, chat, phone, and general. If you want to see all the available keyboard shortcuts, make sure you open each category by clicking on the arrow to the right of the category name. One note: the keys you press on a Mac or a Windows PC will be different, but no matter which platform you use, those shortcuts can be really useful when you're on a laptop Zoom call. Update January 27, 8:28 a.m. Eastern Time. This article was originally published on March 25, 2020. Info on the list of shortcuts has been updated. The Verge Guide to Working from Home.